Namaskara friends, computer hardware nodidiralva, but hardware alone cannot do anything. It needs a brain, instructions, something to tell it what to do. That something is software. Welcome back to TeachMeAK, helping beginners learn computers easily. Nanna hesaru Ajit and I teach computers in very simple English plus Kannada. Today we are starting an important concept, computer software. Without software, hardware is just a box. Let's make this concept crystal clear. Software is the heart and brain of the computer. It tells the computer how to work and what to do. In this lesson, we learn three things. What is software? Types of software. Examples from day-to-day life. Now, what is software? Software andre instructions or programs. It tells the computer exactly what to do. Hardware is the body. Software is the brain. Software illa andre computer cannot perform any action. There are mainly two types of software. One is system software, another one is application software. Both are important and they work together. System software controls the computer hardware. It makes the whole computer run smoothly. Examples: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, drivers. Operating system is the main system software. It helps you interact with the computer. Files, folders, memory, apps ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್, iOS ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪ್ಸ್, ದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಲೈಕ್ MS ವರ್ಡ್, ಕ್ರೋಮ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್, ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್, ಬ್ರೌಸಿಂಗ್, ಚಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್. Now let's see the difference between system and application softwares. System software runs the computer, whereas application software helps you do the tasks. System works in the background, application works in the front where you use it directly. Now let's quickly summarize. Software equal to instructions. Now two types of software, one is system and application. Both are needed for a computer to work. Practice questions. First one, what is software? Secondly, name one system software and one application software. Comment your responses. I'll say it. Thank you for watching, friends. If today's lesson helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and download class notes inside our learning groups. Next class alli we'll learn computer memory, very interesting and easy. Until then, take care. See you soon.